if we go to the top gainers list, there's a brand new stock that just popped up. So EFOI, let's take a look here. First thing that we're going to look at, guys, is going to be market cap. All right, market cap is what the company is currently worth. The reason why these stocks run so much is because they're smaller companies which move more off of speculation. So right here, we just get this initial pop. Why? Because the company dropped some type of news. More than likely, 9 times out of 10, the company drops news. Algorithms, institutional investors, insiders, they typically get in early, right? And then after that, it starts to get on scalpers list. Scalpers start to push it up, and we start to make this big move. I never trade the first move. What am I waiting for? I'm waiting for at least one red candle on the 5-minute time frame. You can see what time frame I'm up on right here. With this stock, we also want to make sure that the market cap is below 50 million. If you take a look at the market cap over here, it is 13 million. Now remember that market cap does not update in pre-market, but market cap increases with the price increase. So this market cap is really up by over 87% right now, which if I just do simple math, if we double 13, that's 26. So it's close to around $25 million market cap right now, which is below 50 million. Which is a check. That's good. So it's below 50 million. So that's possible. Now, what else do we want to look at? We also want to look at the free float. Free float, 2.3 million. All right. So below 50 million is good. Below 10 million is great. So free float is really good. And again, free float is just the amount of shares out on the market for retail traders like me and you that to trade. All right. The lower the free float, from what I've tracked, the higher the gains. All right. So EFOI is definitely a possible play for us, but what are we going to wait on? We're going to be patient. We're going to wait for at least one red candle on the 5-minute time frame. After we get at least one red candle on the 5-minute time frame, what are we going to do? We're going to take a horizontal line, draw it up at the body of the candle, and that will be our breakout level, wherever that 5-minute candle ends up happening. So as you can see, we're starting to pull back, but we still got 3 minutes left. So we'll see if this actually closes red. Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and set that level there at 450. Right. So if you guys zoom in, right, you'll be able to see it's right here at the top of the body of the candle. For you newer traders that are listening in, 2 parts of the candle. One is the body. Second is the wick, right? When I'm setting my breakout levels, right? And really, when I say breakout level, guys, what I mean is just a prior level of resistance. We make this move up here. Everybody's buying, 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 buying. And then now, right here in this area, we have found that there's more sellers than buyers currently, okay? So in theory, that if we get a pushback above this level, that shows that now buyers are in control. But you also want to zoom into the 1-minute time frame, take a look at the price action there, make sure every time frame is aligned between 5-minute and 1 minute. And if it's so, then we'll take the trade, and then we could possibly get the bigger move up. EFOI, guys, we made the initial move up. We got the pullback. We got the first red candle. And now that we've got the first red candle, that level is now an established breakout level. Okay. So when I say breakout level, that's what I mean. And breakout level just means that that is the level that I want to see a 5-minute candle push and close above. Right. So now what you want to do is you want to make sure you right click on your line. If you guys are on Webull desktop, you guys will right click, create alert at 450. Make sure you click the at. You should see 3 options. It's going to be at, above, below. Click at. Pop-up is going to appear. At the top, you'll see quote, news and movement. Click on news and movement. Scroll down. You'll see range. And make sure you click on include extended hours. Because right now, it's 9:19, which means we are still in pre-market. This stock could get a push here in the last 30 seconds here and close above this level. Right? So at this point in time, what I like to do is zoom into the 1-minute time frame. So to close above this level, this current 1-minute candle would obviously have to be green, which would be the first thing that I would have to see in order to trade this stock. I need the 1-minute time frame to be trending green. That way I can get the momentum. After backtesting, this has a massive direct correlation to win rate. All right. So this one obviously needs to be green. We're getting a slight push here, so we might close above the level. We got 5 seconds. Can we get a last second push here? Can we get a push? We did. So we got a push. So that first 1-minute candle just closed above. So what I need now, guys, is I need this current 1-minute candle to close green. If it closes green, I will enter at the candle close here. All right. So if this 1-minute candle closes green, I will be going over to Turbo Trader on my Webull desktop app, and I will be clicking the buy at ask button. All right. And the reason why this is so important, guys, is buy at ask is going to allow you to get filled in pre-market one click of a button. Do not click buy at market. If you click buy at market, it is not going to fill your order. We're in pre-market. You can't use market orders. All right, we got 15 seconds left. Let's dial in here. We're currently red, turning green. All right, so it looks like I'm probably going to take this trade here. And for EFOI, all right, we're all about to close. All right, I'm in. I got filled at 489. All right, for EFOI, the free flow is below 10 million. I will be going for 15% take profit, which means if this stock gets up to 564, I'm looking to take profits at 564. All right. My mental stop loss is going to be down at 393. All right, so if it comes down to 393, I will sell at a loss. If it goes up to 564, 565, I will be selling. I will be taking profits. For all my one-on-one students who are a little bit more advanced and know exactly what I'm talking about, I'm going to set a limit order, a sell limit order at 564. That way, if it wicks up there, it'll go ahead and take profits for me. So sell limit 100% at 564 because I'm currently in green. I'm green on the stock right now. I'm up right now. If I go red on this stock, I got to make sure I cancel the limit order. All right. If that sounds like Chinese to you, then you guys need to watch a couple more of my videos. I actually make a video kind of breaking that down. But for everybody else, the way you sell in pre-market is sell bid. Okay. So sell bid. All right. Best case scenario, I've zoomed back out to the 5-minute time frame. Another thing that I track is after I've entered a trade, after we get the 1-minute time frames trending green, the next thing that I track is what happens to the 5-minute candle. If this 5-minute candle closes green, our win rate does increase. All right. So best case scenario for us right now is that this 5-minute candle right here closes green. It's a 5-minute candle closes green. There's a very high chance. I'll show you guys the actual data behind it once we're out of this trade and we've executed. It's about an 85% chance that we're going to go and hit the full 15% take profit based on historical data. All right, EFOI, again, the level that I want to see it hit is going to be 563. I know historically speaking, I'm out, guys. I'm out. That just hit take profit for me.